If you want to enable and disable USB debugging on the Xiaomi 17 Pro, all you have to do is open the settings and enable developer options first. So tap on settings, select my device, and then find the OS version and tap on it around 7 times. And then type in your security lock, be it a PIN, password, or pattern, type it in, and you should see now you're a developer. Now once you have enabled developer options, go back to the settings, and then scroll down and select additional settings. And then within the additional settings, scroll down until you find developer options. Select that. And then from here, simply search for USB debugging. So here it is. And then from here, you can enable it. And then you should see this warning. All you have to do is select I am aware of the possible risk. And then tap on OK. And that will enable USB debugging. If you want to disable it, simply tap on that switch next to it, and that should disable it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.